2025 GMC Yukon XL. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, power running boards, parking aid sensor. Find your dream car and drive it home today.